All right, we'll do 5 since you love it so much. And it's good for me to face my fear because 5 is the least pleasant of the first 10 numbers to me. It's all hard and angular there. And they say that the first 4 numbers are the balanced ones and then 5 is the first unbalanced number. So we'll dive into it. But I have very few 5s on this list. So if you have any favorite lists of 5s, let me know and I'll add them up here. And for announcements, I asked I Ching about doing TikTok lives, and it said, yes, go forth with humility. And so this Sunday and every Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to be on TikTok live. So feel free to come check it out. Anyway, so like I said, 5 is the unbalanced. So we come over here to the Tree of Life. Look at these cards you get. It is worry, strife, disappointment, defeat, not pleasant things. But it's Gebura, it's strength, it's Mars, it's war. There, in the Ifa tradition, it is Ogun, the spirit of iron. So these aren't easy energies, but they're really important energies. So we'll zoom in on our 5s here, and the last one is especially cool. And first we have here the Toltec Mother, who is the eater of impurities, and she seems appropriate to have over the 5 evils from the Pancatantra. And so if you don't know the Pancatantra, this is the Indian version of Aesop's Fables, except it's so much better. It's a bunch of animals talking about statecraft, and it's all these recursive tales, and they're just wonderful, so much smart wisdom in there. And from that is these 5 evils. And so one would be a lack of a ruler over a country, another would be revolt, then addiction, and they have 7 different types of addiction. They have affliction, which are the Job type events like fire, flood, disease. And then finally bad policy, and there's 6 different policy types that can be done poorly. And then we'll move up to the Chinese version of the 5 elements, which I really appreciate because they include metal as one of the elements, the one that we created, but which is also really important for changing the world. And metal, of course, is associated with the Gebura energy. And then finally, this is the Hermetica and what it thinks about how everything emerges. And I'll put this on Instagram as well. So you start with God, and out of God comes the Aeon, or the eternity. Out of the eternity comes the cosmos. Out of the cosmos comes time. And out of time is becoming, our life right now. And each of these has an essence and an energy, which in my little cosmology is the wave and the particle. So the essence of God is wisdom, and the energy is mind and soul. The essence of eternity is identity, and its energy is permanence, immortality. The essence of the cosmos is order, and the energy is recurring and counter-recurring, or the renewal of all things by substitution. The essence of time is change, and its energy is increase and decrease. And the essence of becoming is life and death, and its energy is quality and quantity. All of this leading to the idea that hope is a disciplined dream.